Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time here, we do cooking recipes. And if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe. Thank you so much for doing it for me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Today is Sunday, hooray! And as you know, Sundays in Ghanaian home is all about swallow. And today we are making good meat light soup and fufu. So I have washed my good meat very well and I'm adding my chopped pepper. So every other ingredient that I will be adding, you will see it on the screen. Thank you so much for your precious time. I do appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Okay. And please do not hesitate to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very excited if you do that for me. Thank you so much. Now I'll go ahead and add my good meat seasoning. Okay, now I've added my ginger, garlic and onion. So I'll go ahead and add my tomatoes, add some red bell peppers. If you have garden eggs, you can omit that. I'll go ahead and add my carrot. It adds some taste to the soup. You can just omit that. I have this natural spice and herbs I've added, and I've added the one I made at home as well. That is natural herbs and spice blend. Okay, so now that has been on fire for about 10 minutes and I will go ahead and give it a stir, okay, before we continue. Are you still with me? Thank you so much. I do appreciate your time. And have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do so for me. It is free. Do not forget, please, to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss our future uploads. Thank you so much. Now my vegetables are ready and I've removed everything. Okay, I'm going to blend it and I'll get back to you. I'm taking some of the stock out. I'll use it for my stew, okay, my WAAKYE stew or any other thing that requires good meat stock. I've added some tomato paste to it. You can omit it, okay? Yes, so the carrots and the bell peppers are not ready yet, but the ones that are ready, I've removed them. Okay, yes, you can omit the tomato paste. I normally don't use tomato paste when preparing soup. Okay, yes, in fact, most of my recipes I use fresh tomatoes, so you can omit that. Now I'm done blending all the vegetables. I'll go ahead and then strain it and then we proceed. If you want it thick, make it thick. If you want it watery, you just make it watery. Okay, and if you want it not watery or thick, it depends on you. It is your food. Do not let anyone decide for you. That is just by the way. It has been on fire for almost 15 minutes and I will go ahead and leave it on fire whilst we prepare our fufu. So I have my cocoyam fufu flour. I added some water to it, and then this is where we are now. Give it a stir. Do not leave it on fire. Okay, just give it a stir so that it doesn't become lumpy. Thank you so much. Now just look at that. Make this according to how you want it. Some people want their fufu very soft. Let me know how you want yours in the comment section. I have never eaten fufu before, okay, but my husband wants it very soft. So that is exactly what I'm going to prepare, or how I'm going to prepare it. So make it how you want it, okay? Thank you so much. So our fufu is also ready, and now I have some vegetables here. I'm just going to add it to the light soup. I have my broccoli, I have some carrot, pepper, I have my okro and one fruit, that is cucumbers. I will just go ahead and add it to it, wait for some time, and then our soup is ready. Me debut. But see the way I'm happy. I feel so happy when I see people eating my food, okay? Especially when I prepare food for you and you eat all. Hey, I feel happy, say. But I don't eat meat. I don't eat fufu. So this one, I'm not going to eat some, but he really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. Please take care of yourself and love yourself first. I love you. See you in the next one.